Being able to like further build within our community and build more fun with Bobcat has been a big help, and that's going to go a long way with RADshare's mission to share the arts of fun.
Yeah, I mean, they see the Bobcat equipment and they get excited. They know something cool is happening and something new is coming, and so there's this air of like excitement. And not only is it saving our backs, but it's also getting people hyped. RADshare is all about access. So obviously it means getting people, bikes and helmets and the equipment that they need to get involved and get started with BMX. But also it's access to something that maybe they never have seen before. Steve and I have been riding our whole lives, and I think every day we apply something that we've learned through BMX, through this community, through this activity to our everyday life.
One of the things that we like to do is put on events where like kids from the community get to interact with their favorite pros. It's not necessarily like a spectator and performer kind of dynamic. It's like the kids and the riders and all the pros, everyone's riding together, and we think that's something that makes like a pretty big impact on a young person's life. The public pump track has been there for a few years, and it was time for a renovation, and Bobcat generously donated some resources our way, and we were able to rebuild the entire course.
BMX tracks and courses in general require a ton of maintenance, and RADshare is a volunteer organization, so having the Bobcat equipment has been crucial because we can get so much more done.
We were able to get 4 weeks worth of work done in like 4 days, and using the equipment to build something that's sustainable and safe for all the young people coming out, like that's pretty crucial. Really, it's just a matter of like taking the initiative to make something happen and making sure you have the right equipment. Like, Bobcat was essential in building this course. So just having a vision and putting forth the effort, and anything is possible.
Yeah, I mean, Steve says a lot, you build your own fun, and that's essentially what we tell people. It's like, if you want to do something, if you want to have this, just get out there and build your own fun.